In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the water from your washing machine to feed into your toilet flush. Conventional washing machines can generate up to 50 liters of water every cycle. The first step is to store this water in a large enough bucket. On the other side, the water from the bucket needs to be fed into your flush tank. This is achieved through this hand pump made of PVC that is immersed into the bucket. The pump has three major parts: a piston made from a 1-inch PVC pipe, a cylinder made from a 1.25-inch PVC pipe, and a one-way check valve system. The one-way check valve allows water to flow only in one direction. When the piston is pulled up, the vacuum in the cylinder opens up the check valve on the right, allowing water to flow in. When the piston is pushed down, the check valve on the left opens up, allowing water to go out into the pipe. The piston is made watertight through the use of O-rings. The O-rings, available in any automobile shop, are held in position by placing them in two grooves which are created manually using a hacksaw blade. Be careful not to cut too deep into the PVC while creating the grooves. The entire system is simply immersed into the bucket without the use of any nuts, bolts or clamps. More holes in the bucket means more leaks. The system is held in place by simply connecting the other end to the flush. Oops, we forgot to slip the lid in, because that's necessary to hold the system in place as well. If the piston develops friction over time, all you have to do is to pull the piston out, apply some lubrication around the O-rings and spread it out evenly. Then you put the piston back in its place. So there you go. That was an eco-friendly way of reusing 50 liters of water from the washing machine. The pump was made by referring to the following do-it-yourself YouTube video.